All right, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about printing on multiple lines in Python. So as we talked about previously in Python, print, and then we're gonna, anything inside these quotes, like hello world, will display on this one line. And if we wanted to, we could change this up and add this to a second line. So we'll do hello, and then right here we're going to print, and we're going to do world. Okay, so you can do this, and you can actually have some fun with this with different characters. One thing you just have to always remember when you're doing this and printing on multiple lines is you got to watch the spacing within these brackets. Okay, so let's just say that we want to create a character, right? We want to have a stick figure or something like that, or maybe a face on the screen. So we can actually do print here, and we can do the quotations, and we'll just kind of space over. I'm just going to make a kind of a different face. Okay, and then we'll do print, and then we'll do a actually, now within this, if we do another bracket, notice that bracket right here is a different color than this one. So this is inside the text, so it's seeing this as text. And maybe we'll do a, oh, I don't know. Oops. So we're going to kind of create a little face here. And then we can kind of space over, and maybe we just want it to be a plus sign like this. Okay, so let's just go ahead and take a look, see what that looks like. We're going to kind of move this over just a little bit, just to give us a little more room. And yeah, so, oh, what do I got going on here? Okay, so that looks pretty good, I would say. One thing you have to really be careful of when you're doing something like this, when you create different characters on different lines, this is the easiest way to do this, is print and then several prints in a row, and you know, we could keep going on and on and on and add more prints. Okay, and you could do more. Maybe we just want to do another quotation, and we'll add another plus sign there. Okay, you just watch the spacing of when you do this, okay? Because if I add too much spacing here and then run the code, it's going to be offline, right? So you want to make sure that you're just kind of careful with these. And this is actually pretty simple because they all line up this direction. If you were to have more characters out here, you would just want to make sure that they line up correctly. Okay, but this is kind of just a short, simple little thing to work on multiple lines of code, and you can do faces like this, and you could obviously make bigger creations, but this is one thing you could do with these. So this is just printing on multiple lines of code. Hopefully this helps you, and have some fun with this. This is kind of a good little activity to do with coding.